I'm going to show you how to put gas in your Honda. Now the first thing you need to do is you actually need to pop open the fuel nozzle. You can see right here, you can basically just push down. It should easily pull up like so. And if you don't see that, it'll often be on the floor or just on this under here right here if it's not just a normal push down and pull up. Once you've done that, you simply want to go to the gas pump like I am here, and you actually want to insert or tap your card, or if you're using cash, you need to locate which number you're on. You can see I'm on 7 right here. And you actually need to go inside to the gas station where you actually give them cash, whether it be $10 of gas, $20 of gas, so on. But I'm basically just going to tap my card right here. In doing so, it will allow me to authorize and choose if I want a receipt. And after you've selected that option, you can basically choose just by lifting up the fuel handle like so and simply putting it back into here. Now for this one, you don't have to unscrew a fuel cap or anything like this. It'll simply just push down like this, but for some of them, if you do have to unscrew the fuel cap, you will do that like so. Now, once you've actually just put the fuel thing in, you can simply select which fuel you want. I want regular. If you want diesel or etc., you can also do that. But you also want regular for like every Honda unless it's specific for your car. In doing so, it'll automatically start filling up your gas. And when it's done, you can simply, it'll stop automatically, but you just pull up like that if you do want to, finish like so. And then you simply put it back in the thing, and that's all you need to do to get gas in a Honda. If you found this helpful, leave a like down below, and happy driving.